Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here. So, getting ready to get on my Harley Davidson 2023 Lowrider ST and head on home. I'm going to talk to you today about my favorite time to ride. So, I'm going to jump on that bike and I'll get back with you. Well, good morning to all you good people in YouTube, and of course all you bad people too. So I hope you can see me. I'm kind of early in the morning. It's 5:23 a.m. on a Saturday morning. I just got done work and I'm on my way home. And I'm in some tree cover here, so might be a little dark. You know, the sun's just coming up somewhere back behind me somewhere. So today I want to talk about, when is your favorite time to ride? And I know some of you guys are going to say, oh, well, my favorite time to ride is anytime I can get on the bike. And that's not what I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for is, if you had the ideal time to get out on your motorcycle and ride, when would it be? Because right now is my time. This is my favorite time to ride. When I get done work on a Saturday morning at 5:30, when I can get done that early, I take the long way home. There's not a lot of people out here on the road, and I pretty much so have the road almost all to myself. There's a couple car here and there. Other than that, it's there's really not too many people out here. So this is my favorite time to ride. And normally during the week, when I'm riding to work and I'm on my way home, I'm kind of just in a rush to get home, you know, to get my day over with. You know, get home, get a shower, get some food, and get to bed. Well, on a Saturday morning, I can take the long way home because I'm not pressed to get home right away to be able to take a shower, go to bed right away. I have a little bit of time. So for me, it's like, this is the perfect time. You know, the sun's just coming up, first light out here, and you're just out here cruising, taking these back roads. I'm coming through Valley Forge Park right now. I'll be coming out the backside of Valley Forge Park in a minute. But yeah, just taking these roads in the early morning and watching out for the deer right there. Yeah, that's the only thing bad about early morning rides. You got some wildlife out here, so you really got to watch for that. But yeah, just coming out here at this time when there's nobody out is, like, for me, it's the perfect time to ride. You know, it's like 61 degrees outside right now. It's beautiful. I wish all days were like this, temperature wise, but I think we're actually going to get up into the 90s this week, which, you know, better than the 30s. That's the way I look at it. You'll never hear me complaining about the heat, because I know what the alternative is, and the alternative is fucking 6 inches of snow on the ground and fucking cold. And I'd rather have the 90-degree weather. So, but yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know when your most favorite time to ride is. You know, early morning, in the evening, at night, in the heat of the day. You know, when is your favorite time to ride? And they got some really nice fucking houses back here. Jeez, look at that thing. Damn. That's the fucking good life right there. So yeah, just like I said, let me know when your favorite time to ride is. Mine is, like I said, a Saturday morning at 5:30 a.m. Sun's just coming up. Start of a beautiful brand new day. So yeah, that's about it. That's where I'm going to end it, coming into these curves. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. There's more deer right there. Look at that. Y'all stay safe. You watch out for them fucking deer too. Y'all love one another. Peace.